Monsteras are by far my favorite houseplants. I already had plenty of them, but I had never grown one from seed until now. I finally got my hands on some seeds and started this project. The seeds were about 1 centimeter in size, and I could already see where the roots would start to grow. For Monstera propagation, I liked using sphagnum moss because the roots usually thrived in it. So I decided to use it for the seeds as well. I put some sphagnum moss in a small glass petri dish and added a bit of water to let it soak. After that, I placed all the seeds on top of the moss and watered them even more. In the time-lapse I filmed for my other channel, you can see that the tiny roots started showing some growth within the first few days, though just a little at first. After a few days, the first seed in the middle showed real progress and grew a small green stem. From that moment on, the plant really picked up speed, and after about 4 weeks, it had its first leaf. At this point, I decided to plant the little monsteras in the soil. 4 out of 5 seeds germinated and developed great roots, as you can see. Since I wanted to film 2 plants in the time-lapse, I planted the other 2 in a separate pot. For the soil, I used my usual mix of perlite, pine bark, orchid soil, and a bit of worm castings. If you're interested in the exact mix, you can find it in my Monstera tutorial video. I carefully buried the roots in the soil, gave them some water, and continued filming the time-lapse. Let us now see how the first leaves of the plants grow over the next weeks in the time-lapse. After 75 days, each of the plants had grown 2 leaves, and a closer look at the stem showed that the first aerial root had finally started to grow as well. Make sure to follow my channel if you don't want to miss the next update. Thanks for watching.